So, like I was saying on one of my shorts, I got a package. You guys want to check it out? Ooh. See you here in a minute. Welcome back, everybody. Brimstone 667 here, as you already know, of course. But yeah, my package came in. That right there, buddy, she is a 1973 Dodge Polara California Highway Patrol Car. Finally got me an old 70s cop car. How about that? But yeah, so let's get into it. Now, this is just going to be a walk around video. I'm not going to do anything majorly yet. Right there, though, in pieces. And I honestly don't know if it runs or not. But that's a 440 Magnum. And I got it from the gentleman, Tom, over at Rocket Restoration in Olympia, Washington. So go check them out. And I got that from him. So yeah, that I made a deal with him with that. You remember that Wagoneer that I saved from getting crushing? Well, we did a trade for it, and I'm so, because that old Wagoneer, it's going to be going to a house that's going to be loving it, maintaining it, and getting it back on the road again. So I'm looking forward to seeing that. So that's good, because yeah, it's just been sitting, and like some of you know, I saved that from the crusher. But anyway, not talking about that, but I'm glad it happened. So back on the car. So it is going to need a full restoration. Has the windows and everything. And yeah, I might be hobbling around a little bit. You guys probably tell from that, because I'm having a relapse in my back. But yeah, which is why I'm not very active right now. But yeah, I'm really excited about this. I'm going to be building it up, and it's going to be a tribute car. There's one of the spotlight holes right there. There's the white CHP steering wheel. You can barely see it under all the muck there. Yeah, those doors, all of them, open and close nice and securely. More glass back there for the rig glass on the other side. I don't have the means to pop into the trunk right now. Otherwise, I'd pop that open and see. And not because, you know, I don't have a screwdriver or anything. I just can't bend down right now. A little bit of a bump right there. But, you know, body work. That's all right. But yeah, and he also saved it from getting crushed. As a certified speedometer. Gorgeous looking car. A few little wasp nests in here. Yeah, the other day I got hit by wasps myself. And okay, that one's not opening. That's all right. But yeah, it's just a little bit of a car tour. You know, I gotta find some more wheels that'll match, so I can put the. I gotta find some Dodge excuse me, some of the dog dish hubcaps. But yeah, that's her though. Gonna be making them into a tribute car. Yeah, gorgeous. I love the old 70s police cars, and I finally, I'll close it more later, but I finally got me a Polara. Yeah, I just love the look on that. That's a boat. So awesome though. But yeah, and you probably saw a minute ago, it's missing the one of the tail lights, but that's inside because it said it was trying to come out on the road, so he took it off, put it in the side. So gas trailer should be behind the license plate. Yeah, which there's wasps there. I'm not going to go for that right now. But yeah, so just a little bit of a car tour. Nothing big right now, but I'm trying to decide though on that motor. Should I see if I can get it running again? If I can get the capability for it? Should I find another 440? Or, excuse me again, should I modernize it with a newer Hemi? All really good options. Sorry about the wind too, y'all. It's a little breezy at the ranch today. So, yeah. Tell me what you think though. New motor, try to save it, or modern motor? Yeah. I'm looking forward to it when I can get to it. So it's going to be one of those back burner projects. I'm not going to lie about that though, because it needs a lot of work. But that's okay. That's okay in my book. So anyway, we'll see you on the next one. I hope you like, and if you want to see more on it, go ahead and subscribe and follow. Hit that bell. There's more coming on it. So we'll see you soon. Bye. Good morning, y'all. So, just to finish it off on this video. Yeah, another short video, car tour, I guess you would call it. But yeah, just got a lot of stuff going on medically wise, so that's why I'm getting really slow on wanting to get these projects done. So on that note, I am looking for a mechanic to help out, and I hate asking for help, but I kind of really need it right now. So yeah, so I'm just gonna put it out there. I'm looking for a mechanic. Hi, Princess. So preferably somebody close by that doesn't mind being on camera to help out, and heavy lifting, body work, fabrication, all that good stuff. Just everything that I can't do right now, because yeah, going through a couple things, and yeah, I was told that I got to be careful with what I do right now. So yeah, that's why my videos are right now the way they are, is because I can't do much and it's out of my power right now. So all I can do is, a few small things here and there. I'm going to try to do revivals sometime, but that still gets a little taxing right now. But yeah, so and yes, I look tired because I am tired, because I had a late night at the fair with family and stuff. Just trying to enjoy a weekend for a change. Trying a new diet, all that good stuff. Trying to take out sugars, just a bunch of medical stuff. I try and don't want to elaborate on a whole lot of stuff going on right now. So I'm sorry about, just another section of me blabbering again. But yeah, so that's what's going on. I need a mechanic that can help out, you know, that I will be trying to pay on time, of course. That's the big thing, because I hate having bills backed up. So I like to have everything paid on time. It's just the way I like to do things. But yeah, so just, you know, real quick snidbit here at the end of this video. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. You know, I hope that you like, and I have a lot of ideas, you know, rushing around. So I mean, a lot of ideas for the channel, ideas for the projects, ideas for eventually I want to see about doing some giveaways down the line. I was thinking at, you know, I don't know, again, these are ideas, but I'm thinking maybe if I hit 5,000 subscribers, I might do a project giveaway of one of my projects, you know, or, you know, buy a new ish project giveaway. I don't know, we'll see. Anyway, lots of ideas going on, but yeah. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching and just sitting here listening to me blabber away as always. So we'll see you guys on the next video, and hopefully it's gonna be a good one. I got a couple lined up that are going to be coming out here soonish. You know, I'm trying to do, and I did a poll, you know, I'm trying to do these Saturday releases because it seems like everybody else does Friday releases. So going to do Saturdays to see how this does for a bit. So yeah, anyway, enough of me jibber jabbering. See you guys and gals on the next one. Bye.